Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today's video is something a little different, but trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Because nobody told us vans could be this luxurious. Meet the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van, a vehicle that completely redefines what a premium travel van can be. Built on the trusted platform of GMC, this upgraded Savana isn't just a van anymore. It's a mobile luxury lounge designed for comfort, style, and modern living on the road. From the outside, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van keeps its strong and familiar presence, but adds a premium twist. The front fascia features a bold chrome grille, sleek LED headlights, and a refined body finish that gives it a more upscale and modern look. Subtle aerodynamic improvements and stylish alloy wheels complete the exterior transformation. But the real surprise begins the moment you step inside. The interior of this Savana has been completely transformed into a high-end luxury space. Premium leather captain seats welcome you in, offering full recline, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The cabin feels more like a private jet lounge than a traditional van. Soft ambient lighting flows throughout the interior, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. High-quality materials, wood accents, and metallic trims give the van a refined and elegant feel. Right in front of you, a large smart entertainment display takes center stage. Paired with a premium surround sound system, this van is built for ultimate in-transit entertainment, whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or hosting passengers. The layout is designed for both comfort and functionality. The seating arrangement allows for social interaction, making it perfect for family trips, business travel, or VIP transportation. Moving toward the rear, the luxury continues. A mini refreshment station includes a compact refrigerator, storage compartments, and a coffee or beverage setup, perfect for long journeys. Fold-out tables and hidden compartments add to the practicality without compromising the clean design. Technology plays a huge role in this van. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van features a smart control system that allows passengers to adjust lighting, climate, entertainment, and more with just a touch or voice command. Multiple charging ports, wireless connectivity, and advanced infotainment ensure you stay connected at all times. Up front, the driver gets a modern cockpit with digital displays, navigation systems, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors, making it easy to drive despite its size. Under the hood, GMC is expected to offer a powerful yet smooth engine option, possibly combined with improved fuel efficiency or even hybrid support. The ride is tuned for comfort, with suspension systems designed to absorb road imperfections and deliver a smooth journey. And here's what makes this van truly impressive. It delivers all of this luxury at a price that's far more accessible than million-dollar motorhomes. Depending on customization, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van could range between $80,000 to $150,000, making it one of the best value luxury travel vehicles on the market. This isn't just a van anymore. It's a VIP lounge on wheels. A private travel experience, a new standard for luxury vans. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to experience high-end comfort on the road. So the real question is, would you choose this luxury van over a full-size motorhome? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching the Grand Motorhome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible luxury vehicle tour. See you in the next video.